So here we are. Here we are delving into this beautiful unboxing. What this camera is a Canon Rebel T6 that was refurbished by Canon themselves. How do I open this? That seemed to do the trick, and now we have some extra cardboard. Bubble wrap. This looks like the cord and battery pack. Well, I've never owned a camera. I have worked with them a lot before. The battery pack charger. I'm guessing this right here is our lovely lens. This is actually a more last-gen camera. This, I believe, came out in 2016-ish. It's pretty exciting. Here is a lovely, terrible shot of my space. More than anything, I'm curious to see how this just turns out. No longer will I be required to film on my phone like I am now. I feel like in the future my focus should definitely be on getting some more better lights. And I guess it doesn't come pre-charged. So after a process that was not as long as I expected, but ADHD decided to make my arm shake to the point where this became unbelievably frustrating. I now have a camera strap attached. And there we go. There is a stock refurbished Rebel T6. It's exciting, if nothing else. Let's give it a test run.